Okay, so now we've done our last round of decreases. This is about as many as you can do on 16-inch. If you want to keep decreasing, you will need to switch to longer cables for magic loop or use DPNs. But I'm going to show you how to close up this hat without doing any more decreases. So we're just going to cut off a long tail. And with our yarn needle, we are going to bring that tail around through all the stitches. So that's my working yarn there. And now I'm going to go in, slide that one on, slide these on, and just slide them off the needle here. I like to do it just as if I'm slipping stitches. And then when I get like a little yarn needle full, I'll slide it through so I'm not holding too many at once. So just go around like that. Just make sure you have it on your yarn needle before you get it off your knitting needle. All right, so now we make sure that all of our stitches there, and we just pull it closed like so. And then sew these up here at the top so it closed. Just going to go back and forth. That's it. And you can cut that and weave it in.